What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining us. Today's tutorial is about my brows. I say my brows because I do my brows a very certain way. I like them very bold, and a lot of people might not be into that. So if you're not into bold, bomb brows, then you probably shouldn't watch the tutorial. But if you are, or just want to see my video, then keep on watching. I got this really great package from Ipsy and Benefit, and look at all the goodies in there. I decided I would use some of this product with you guys. There's a couple of things in here that I haven't used before, so I want to show you guys what the product is like, what the quality is like. I know that a lot of you guys have already heard about this product and maybe you've already tried it, but if you haven't, I'm here for you, and this is where I'm gonna show you guys all about the product. So Precisely My Brow is one of my favorite pencils. It's a very thin pencil, so you can really be precise as per the name. And you can do like little hair-like strokes. You could do them super thin. And this also has a spoolie on the other side, which is amazing because you always need to brush your little hairs out. And this one also has a spoolie. But this one is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which this shape is a little different. So if you see the way this shape is, it's kind of cool because it has a point and I feel like you can really get in there. I've actually never used this one before, so I'm actually going to try to use this one, and then I'll go back in with the Precisely My Brow. And the shades I'm using are number 3. So it's kind of like a brown ashy color. I love this color. It's not too dark. The perfect brown brow. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my little furry brows. My eyebrows are so out of control. I actually haven't gotten them done in like 2 years because I really wanted them to be bushy and like whatever, let them like live their life. And they're like legit doing that. They're living their life. So I'm just going to first draw a little line across my brow. Kind of just like mapping out how I want them to be. But also following the natural curve of the brow. Let's see. I like my brows to be pretty dramatic. Everybody does their brows so different. So I really like my brows to be dramatic and to stand out and be really bushy. You might not want to follow my directions if you're not into that. I like to, when I'm doing my brows, to basically fill them in and brush them as I go so I can kind of see what the shape is turning into. As you can see, I don't have a lot of brow hair in this area. So I'm going to grab the Precisely My Brow, which is the smaller brush, and I'm just going to create tiny little lines that mimic hair. And then going back in with the Precisely My Brow, I am going to just really define this bottom line. Normally I do my brows first, so this is going to be a little tricky because I am pretty messy when I do my makeup. I like to clean stuff up, but since I already have makeup on, it's going to be a little bit more challenging. So I just put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm using this flat synthetic brush by MAC. It's a 242 brush, and I'm just going to lightly carve out how I want the shape of my brow to be. And this is just a very, very light carving, kind of like just giving a highlight, but just making your brows pop more. And then for the top as well. I like a Brooke Shield brow, very bushy, very big. I feel like I have the space on my face to do it because I have such big eyes, and I don't know, I feel like my features are pretty big. I feel like I get away with this. And next I'm going to go in with one of my favorite gels. This is the Gimme Brow Gel in the same shade, number 3. So when I take it out, I'm going to use the very tip of the spoolie, and that's going to help me distribute the product onto my brow. So I like to start on the outer corner because I feel like the outer part of my brow can be darker than the inner part of my brow. So I'm just going to work this product in and then make my way towards the front of my brow and just start to position how I want my brows. And there it is. That is my finished brow. I'm going to go ahead and do my other brow off of camera so you guys can see what they both look like together. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you learned something and enjoyed my bold brow tutorial. If you guys are into really thick, bold, luscious, fluffy brows, then leave me a comment below because I want to know who my girls are and guys that love thick, crazy brows like mine. So go ahead and leave me a comment below, and if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.